Good morning, dear students. Hope you're all good. This is your social studies teacher, Mrs. Ashra. Today, our topic is reading and making maps. Before entering into the lesson, I would like to show you a picture. Observe the picture. What is this? Yes, it is a globe. What is a globe? Globe is a model of the earth. And what is the shape of the earth? Spherical in shape. If you observe the globe, you cannot see all the countries of the world at a time. And where is this possible to see all the countries of the world at a time? Only on the map. So, the word map is derived from the Latin word mappo. Mappo means a napkin, a flat surface. Now, let us enter into the lesson. What is a map? Map is a representation of the earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface. That means we are representing the earth's surface on a flat surface. And even the maps tells us several details about different places, whether they are on the sea or on a mountain or in a desert, how hot or cold or rainy they are, what kind of trees and plants grow, what kind of people live, the language they speak, the work they do, their buildings. Of course, not everything is shown on one map. There are different types of maps: physical maps, political maps, historical maps, etc. And even to read a map, four things are very important. While reading the map, you should know four things. What is it? First, you should know the directions. Second, you should know the signs or symbols. Third, you should know the scale. And fourth, you should know the colors. These four things are very important to read a map. Then, now I will narrate one story based on the map. Way to Mallika's house, a sketch map. Now, from map to sketch map, what is the difference between the map and the sketch map? Let us discuss. Here is a story. Laila and Mallika met at Red Cross service activity in Nizamabad. They became close friends. Mallika lives in Venkatapuram village and Laila lives in Adilabad. What is Red Cross Service Society? Actually, this is a society where they will teach the children about the human dignity. So, this both friends they met at this Red Cross Service Society which is conducting in Nizamabad. And Mallika lives, we discussed, Mallika lives in Venkatapuram village and Laila lives in Adilabad. That means these both friends are from different districts. Laila planned to visit Mallika's house in the coming holidays and she wrote a letter asking Mallika how to reach her house from the bus stand. Mallika was very happy about her friend's proposed visit. She sent the details of the location of her house with a showing way to Mallika's house and listen to these questions. Can you reach Mallika's house from the bus stop with the help of the sketch map? Yes, you can. How many turns did Laila take to reach Mallika's house? She has taken the 3 turns. You can see the arrow marks on the sketch map. Then, are there any landmarks at the turns? Yes, if you observe the sketch map, you can see bazaar, market, school, playground. So, these are all the landmarks. Yes. Are the buildings shown in the sketch drawn to their actual size? Can you tell the directions in and they have which Laila walked? North or west? No, because on the sketch map, she did not mention the directions. No, answer is no. Can you tell the distance from the bus stop to Mallika's house? No, because she did not mention any distance, whether it is a kilometer, half kilometer or 2 kilometers. She did not mention. Then answer is no. The sketch map landed Laila in a problem. Why? Why it landed Laila in a problem? You observe the sketch map. Here I have given a sketch map. Observe this sketch map. Yes, she had no idea of the distance from the bus stop to the house because the Mallika did not mention the distance in the sketch map. When she reached Mallika's house, she said, "Oh Mallika, I'm so tired. You did not mention the distance in the map. So, Mallika said, sorry Laila, I forgot to mention the distance. Anyhow, in future, if you take an auto, please mention that you have to go to South Venkatapuram. Then the Laila asked, how would I know the south or north of Venkatapuram? The Mallika replied, it is simple. Now you reached my house, which is in the south of the village. The opposite is north. Don't you know how to find directions in a place? Asked Mallika. Mallika started explaining the directions. Now topic directions. Look at the picture carefully. The girl in the middle is facing the rising sun. Now you observe that you are facing towards the rising sun. That means you are facing towards east. In the picture also you can observe that the girl also facing towards east. How can we say that girl is facing towards east? Because she is facing towards the sun. It's a sun rising time. And now you observe, you imagine yourself. You are facing towards east. Then if you standing facing east, all the things to your right. Now you check where is your right hand side. Yes, you stretch your both hands and all the things to your right are towards south and all the things to your left are towards north and all the things behind you are towards west. Okay, once again I repeat students, if you stand facing east, all the things to your right are towards south and all the things to your left are towards north and all the things behind means back, behind you are towards west. After this, again Mallika proposed Laila to play a game to understand the directions much better. Now observe the picture carefully and let us try to answer this question. Now students, you observe this picture. In this picture, north is at the top, arrow is given and north direction is given. Now you observe, here some students are standing and some are facing right side, that is east, some are facing left side, that is west, and top is north and the bottom is south. And based on this picture, let us try to answer these questions. Now Lalita is, where is Lalita you see in the picture? In the first line, yes, to the north side, and the third picture. Lalita is towards dash direction of John. Where is John you see? Yes, down south side. Now John is facing towards which direction, students? Is facing towards the south direction. But here carefully listen this exercise. John is facing towards south. But behind John means back of John will be north direction. Understood children? John is facing towards south. But his back is north. Now Lalita is facing towards which direction of John? North direction of John, because his back side means behind is the north direction. Now to understand second one, Lalita, again Lalita only. Lalita is towards dash direction of Uma. Now you check where is Uma? Yes, above the Lalita Tara and above the Tara Uma is there. Now you see Lalita is towards dash direction of Uma. So Uma is facing which direction? Uma is facing towards south direction. Then where is Lalita? Lalita is facing south. And back of Lalita will be which direction? North. So here asking Lalita is towards. Lalita is towards means Lalita is facing towards which direction? She is facing towards the south direction. So Lalita is towards dash direction of Uma. And Uma is facing towards south. Okay, that means the answer is south. You understood or not? Shall I repeat once again? Now here Lalita is facing towards which direction, children? She is facing towards south direction, and even Uma is also facing south direction. So you observe. Lalita is also facing south direction and Uma is also facing south direction. So Uma's front will be towards which direction? Her face. She is facing towards which direction? South direction. And he asked in this question, Lalita is towards dash direction of Uma. That means she is towards south direction. If you have any confusion, once you stand and at your home you face towards south. Okay, and tell your brother or sister to stand behind you. Okay, students. So in that way, if you do here, what is asking? Lalita is first. Behind Uma is there. Okay. So Lalita is towards which direction of Uma? Reverse you see now. Lalita is facing this side, Uma is facing this side. But the face side of Uma will be which direction? Uma's back side is north and her front side will be south. So in front of her Lalita is there. That means Lalita is towards south direction of Uma. Next let us see Nazar. Nazar is in dash direction of Shekhar. Now you check where is Nazar? Yes, he is towards east side. You check it. He is facing east side. Now Nazar is in dash direction of Shekhar. Where is Shekhar? Shekhar is also facing east. But the back of Shekhar will be which direction? West direction. That means our front if it is east, our back side will be west. So Nazar is in west direction of Shekhar because Nazar is standing behind Shekhar, back side of the Shekhar. West direction of Shekhar. Now next question. Lakshman is towards dash direction of Somu. Now let us check where is Lakshman. Lakshman is also facing towards east. And next who is that? Somu. Now let us check where is Somu. Now left side you see Somu is facing towards west. So Lakshman is towards dash direction of Somu. So behind Somu is east. Then what will be the answer? East. Very good. Next question. Lakshman is also towards dash direction of Shekhar. That is correct. Lakshman is also towards east direction. And Shekhar is also towards east direction. So Lakshman is also towards dash direction of Shekhar. Now Shekhar is facing towards east. Okay. Lakshman is also facing towards east. But now we are comparing here the direction of the Shekhar. Shekhar is facing east. And what the direction will be behind the Shekhar? West. So what will be the answer here? West. Now next, Tara is in the dash direction of John. So John is facing towards which direction? South direction. Then what will be the back direction of Tara? Where is Tara? North. On the north line, second girl is Tara. So Tara is facing towards which direction? South direction. And what will be the behind of Tara? She is facing south and her behind will be north. Now what is the question here? Talking about Tara. Tara is in the dash direction of John. Now John which direction he is facing? John is facing towards south. Then Tara is in the dash direction of John, south direction. South direction, is it correct? Wrong. John is facing towards south means is behind, means back side will be north direction. Then answer is north direction. Students, today we have done in this class 2 exercises. Here is another exercise. Observe the political map of Telangana and try to answer these questions. In which direction is Mehboob Nagar from Vikarabad? First we have to try to understand the question. in which direction is Mahbubnagar from Vikarabad? So we have to check in the map from Vikarabad. So if you observe the Vikarabad, it is on the west side. From Vikarabad to which place going? Mahbubnagar. So it's downside. That means south side. Answer is south. Second question. In which direction is Hyderabad from Yadadri? So first we have to check from Yadadri. Yadadri is just right side, means east side of Hyderabad. So from Yadadri to Hyderabad. That means which direction travels? From right to left, means west direction. Understood, children? In which direction is Hyderabad from Yadadri? From Yadadri to Hyderabad. It is west direction. Next question. In which direction is Khammam from Suryapet? Now observe Suryapet first. From Suryapet is asking. So from Suryapet to Khammam. Suryapet, if you see, south side. Southeast also you can say. So Suryapet, from Suryapet to Khammam. So which side will travel? From left to right. That means answer is east. So Suryapet to Khammam. Next is Komaram Bheem towards east of Adilabad. First observe Komaram Bheem. Where is Komaram Bheem? It is on the north. So what is the question here? Is Komaram Bheem towards east of Adilabad? Yes. How can you say yes? You see first towards east of Adilabad. Adilabad you see, Adilabad right side is Komaram Bheem. So it is what it is? East side. So answer is correct. If you want to go from Mancherial to Peddapalli, you observe Mancherial is also just below the Komaram Bheem. So Mancherial to Peddapalli means she has to travel towards south. Towards south. I think so you all have understood the directions. If not, once again I repeat, you see in the map, right side is east, left side is west, top is north and bottom is south. So like that, for every district you have to check right, left, top and bottom. How we have checked directions on political map of Telangana. In the same way, for every district you have to check right, left, top and bottom. Then always right side will be east and left side will be west, top is north and bottom is south. If you know this, then easily you can answer and you know the direction. I think so you all have understood today's class. So students, this is your homework, today's homework. You all have to learn this question and answers. This is end of my session. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.